Hey everyone, Codex here. Today we are going to be taking a look at Harmony 1 and its current downside movement. But before we do get into this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave the video a thumbs up and a comment, as every bit of support helps us moving forward. Let's get into this one. So, as of the time of me making this video, the whole market is experiencing a retracement, and in the last 48 hours, one has seen a modest 17% move to the downside. Now, we are going to be talking about that as well as what may happen in the market in the upcoming days of this week and going into 2022. Now, we made a video a couple of days ago about Harmony's coin, and we said that we should expect a correction, but the price let me down and decided to keep going up to more than 28 cents. And here we are. We are currently experiencing the downside movement, the downside pressure that we mentioned. It came out late, but here it is. Now, if we take a look at the KDJ and the stochastic RSI on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we do have a downward pressure on both, especially on the KDJ. The black line is falling down with the blue and orange line having a cross. Now, this has started a day ago according to our indicator and will last for another 2 to 3 days. So basically till the end of the year. Same thing with the stochastic RSI. We have a bearish cross right here that started yesterday night, indicating a movement to the downside that can push us again to this yellow basis coming at slightly less than 22 cents, which may not seem big to many of you out there, but that's basically another 9% move to the downside from the current price. So in my opinion, going to this yellow line is very likely to happen. Now, on the immediate short term, you may see the price going up again above 25 cents. It's normal, but don't be fooled. As I said, we still have a downward pressure on the daily, and jumping in now is basically a suicidal mission. I honestly see it as gambling. Also, if we take a look at the risk metric of Harmony, we can see that the risk is at about 4.5, and we always say that entering the market when the risk is between 4 and 6 is a very bad idea. You always want to start accumulating when we are below 4 to avoid the exposure to unnecessary risk. And I mean, you could have accumulated here 2 or 3 weeks ago when the price was between 14 and 20 cents, even below 14 cents actually, since Harmony's risk was in the green region that we like to buy in. By the way, the risk metric for one isn't published yet, but I'll post it on the Telegram channel as soon as I'm back home. I've been super busy with Christmas and all, so I'm sorry for not uploading it, but as I said, the risk is slightly too high to start accumulating again and to start buying Harmony. Now, if you want to jump in, you can surely do that and enter, and you can also make money. I'm not here to claim you won't. It's just that I'm not comfortable with doing the same thing myself. As things look shaky, I would rather wait for things to cool off and be sure than to get slaughtered by entering the market now and seeing my assets go down. So to conclude, in the next hours, you may see Harmony going up. Again, it's totally normal as every pullback comes in with small pumps on the short term, but please keep in mind that on the daily time frame, we still do have a downward pressure that will last till the end of this year. So what I would say is that in the next few days, you will see at the best, if you are lucky, some sideways movement. That's the best scenario, that's the best case scenario. However, the most likely outcome is that one drops to this yellow basis, that one continues its downside movement, since our indicators are indicating that. So this was about it, guys. Stay safe, and as always, don't trust the market too much. As long as Bitcoin is below its 21 weeks EMA and below the bull market support bands, coming in at around 51 to 52k as of today. Thanks for sticking by. Don't forget to leave a like, join our Telegram group, leave a comment if you have anything to say. If you have any question, I'll be happy to reply to you. Happy New Year, even though it's not here yet, it's not 2022 yet. Thanks for sticking by, and peace.